Turn off replays notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off replays notifications on tweets. So first thing, you can click on tweets, click on this icon and click on notifications. Here guys you have tweets and replays. Here guys you have replays, so you have from everyone, from people you follow, and you have off. So all you need to do is tap on off, and now you did turned off replays notifications on tweets. And this is it guys, you can go back and change it anytime you want. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on my next video.